All right, welcome to the part three of this project, building an e-commerce website with Python and Django. So in this tutorial, what we'll be achieving is a situation where if a user comes to this category and he clicks on, for instance, this fashion category, so it will take the user to all the products in this category. So that's what we really want to achieve in this tutorial. So to do that, we already have the category model set up in the previous tutorial. We also have the product, we also have the product models also set up that the admin can equally add products. The admin can add product and we've added one. The admin can create categories. We've created some categories, which is these categories. So now we want to switch on when you click on this women dress, it takes you to all the products in this category. You click on these kids dresses, it takes you to all the products in this category. So to do that, we have to set it up in the category model. You go to the views.py. In the category app, you go to the views.py. So we need the category. So we'll be importing from dot models. We'll import the category. We'll also import the category image. Now, I can just make a def function view and call it maybe category list. It will take the request. It will also take the slug. So what we have to do first is to get the category. So I can just say cat, it's not category dot objects dot all. So this will give us the category. So now that we have that set up, we now say if slug so we'll get the category and we'll filter it. So what we'll be filtering is the product. So if slug will get the object of all four, we need to import it from here. From Django.shortcuts, we need to import the get object of all four. So we need the get object of all four. Then we'll pass in the category, then with the slug. So now the product will now be product.object.filter. Okay, we also need to import the product model. So from product.models, we need to import product. So product.object.filter, you filter it with the category. Category is equal to category. Then we can now return it in the template. So in order to give us an error, this should be slug is equal to slug. Now we'll get the context here so that we can return it in the template. So the context, which is the dictionary. So pass the category It's also category. Then products. It's also products. So we return the render. Sorry, return render the request. So I think in our template, we need to create a new folder called products. We need to create a folder called products. We also need to create a folder called category so that we separate things. So in this category, we need to create a file. We'll just call that file um, we'll call that file category list.html. Okay, so I think I have to let me delete this and recreate it. So in the template, we have a folder called product. So we also need within the template, we also need another folder called category. That was my bad. In this folder, we'll create a file called category list underscore list.html. So we just now in the views, you can now pass in the category, which is the folder, and the file, which is the category underscore list.html. Then you pass in this context so that we can have access to this category and the product in the template. Now that we have this set up, we extend the base, extend base.html. So title also the base.html, the template, the base.html, we have the title. Do set the title block. Okay, yes, we have it here. So let's say block title. Then you end the block. So what I can pass in here, I can pass the category here. So we leave that for now. So we block the content. So we end block. So here I can just say h2 tag category list. So in the URLs, I can get rid of all this. I can get rid of um, was it created in the product views? Okay, it was created in the category view. Okay, so I need this. I can get rid of this for now. Okay, use just this is the index. Okay, I can get rid of this. I can close this, close this, close Then okay, I can close this. Then in the category, okay, which is this, fine. Then in the category, we go to the urls.py. So we set the path, which should be category slash. We have the slug. So we have the views dot category list. So the name should be category list. So if then in the category models, I think we need to set the get absolute URL. So we need to set the get absolute URL def dot sorry def get underscore absolute underscore URL, passing the safe, then return the reverse. We need to import it from Django.url, from Django.urls, import reverse. So the reverse of we have category and the category list. So we have this category and the category list. Category. Then with this log, then passing the argument, the self.slug. Okay. So now that we have that, if we come to the category, if we come here, so okay, let's go back to the index. We are having the category here. So we want a situation where you click on, so we say for item in category. So we want a situation where you click on this image, it takes you to the product in the category. So we'll now set the item dot get underscore absolute underscore URL. So with that, okay, still didn't take us anywhere. Okay. So when we click on this category, nothing actually happened. Though this is a bit tricky, so but it is easy. All you just have to do is just pay attention and follow along. So what we have to do now is we come to the models. in the category, you come to the models.py. So we're not actually getting the absolute URL from the category, we're getting it from the category image. So I can just get rid of it from here for now and make the function here. So you indent it properly. Now, once that is done, if you come back to, you refresh, you come back to the home page and you refresh. So you can see that there is an error in here. So reverse for category argument fashion not found. Okay. So the thing is from the problem is from the URL. So the problem is from the URL. So you come to the URL. Okay. So now I refresh again. It takes me back to the home page. Now when I click on it, now you can see that it's taking me back to the category that we just created. Now what we have to do, okay, is giving a category. So we have to get rid of one category because from the URL of the project, we have the category set already. So I think we just get rid of this. Now I refresh. I click on this. So okay, I also need to get rid of one backward slash. I think this. So when I refresh, page not found. Okay, let me just get rid of one here. Okay. Now, what we have to do, we have to set up the category HTML, the category underscore list.html. Now, we'll get rid of this. So I already have the code for it. So I'll paste it here. So when I refresh, you click on this category. So it takes you to all the products in this category. Now, what we have to do, we'll just loop over. We have the container fluid, then we have the role, then we have the column. So we'll just loop over. We have this column that is take the full width of 12. So we'll loop over this. So we'll just loop over one of the columns. So now, okay, let me just get rid of this. And I refresh again. So we're just having one left. So we can just say for item in category, from the views, what are we having? We're having the category, we have the okay, so what we're looping over is the products. So for item in products, so we end for here. So I can format it properly. Shift Alt F, so it will format it properly. Now when you refresh, it's not coming through. Okay, the reason is we don't have any product in that category. So let me select another category, fashion. So we have one product in this fashion category. Now, this is where the name is. So we can just get the item here. Which is item. So this is the image. This is where the image is. This is where the image is. So we just get the image. Item dot image dot URL. So when you refresh, you see that this product is coming through. So we have this product now, the name and the price. We set the item dot price. Okay, item dot product dot price. Item dot product dot price. So we're now getting the price of this product. Oh, nope, not here. Here. So item dot price, and I refresh. Good. So we are getting the price of this product. Let's just get rid of this. Though we can actually make use of this if we are given a discounted price. So if we have, then probably we'll be setting the price and the sales price on the model, but we'll not be doing that right now. So we don't need this. We can just get rid of this. So what we need right now is when the user clicks on this image or the name, it should take us to the product detail. So to do that, we have to set up the details of the product. What does it have? The details of the product. Go to the product. So I have to get rid of, let me just close all this. So let me collapse this. Go to the product, the views.py. We already have the index, so we can just make another function. Let's say product detail. Product underscore detail. So take the request. To also take the slug. There are various ways of doing this. Since I will be needing the related product, I will just use a different method entirely. So what I will do, I will say obj is equal to product. So I have to import the product from the models, from dot models, import product, which is product dot object dot filter. So filter with slug is equal to slug. Then I'll just set the product to be known. The reason I'm setting this product to be known because I'll be needing the related product also. So the product is known. So if obj.exist, the product will now be equal to obj.first. So once that is done, we can now get our related product. So we fit out products. So we filter the product dot object dot filter category category is equal to product dot category. Now we exclude the present or the current product from this related product. So to do that, we just say dot exclude so we exclude this. For instance, this is what I mean. When you click on this product, it takes you to the product page. Now it will display at the bottom, you will see related product. So it will display products that are related by category, then excluding this. So we say exclude slug is equal to product.slug. Then we can now return the render with the request. We already have the template, and in this template we have product. So we just create a new file called product_detail.html. So I will just okay. Now that we have that, come to the views.py. So product/product_detail.html. So now we're passing the context. We need the related product. Intel_product is related product. Then we'll pass in the product also. So if I come here and just say product, so we need to set the URLs. Excuse me. So we said path. We need the slug. Then the views dot product detail. Then the name is product underscore detail. So same thing that we did for the category in the models. This gets absolute URL. We also do it for the products. So the product models in here. So we import the reverse from Django.urls. Import reverse. So here will be product. And the name is product detail. Product underscore detail with the slug. Now we also need the category. So when you click on the image, so we just set the image around the anchor tag, which is the A link. So we set it to item dot get underscore absolute underscore URL. So hope there is okay. Products has no attribute slug. Okay. So with this error, what we have to do, we just have to add a slug to the product after the title. Make slug models dot slug feed. So whenever there is whenever you make changes to your model, you just run the migration command. So I'll start the server pi manage.py, make migrations. So I set one of default. So pi manage.py migrate. So pi manage.py run server. So I can come back to the admin excuse me, and add let me just say the slug is jacket. Save and add another. Let me say gun or gene is also jean. It belongs to the category of fashion. Jean for men. Let me just pick any image. Do I have any image here right now? Let's go, no image here. Product. I cannot get those images. Okay, let me just pick any image from here. We actually apply reproduct, so this product go for $50. That's been added. So when I refresh, so you can see these are products are related. These are related products that are related by the same category. So when you click on this, it's supposed to take you to the product detail, but we've not set that up, which is here. So what we'll do now, just extend from the base .html first. Then block title and the block. Then block content. You also end the block. So what we just do is h1, say product, so it's coming through now, but we need to get the product detail. So after I finish setting this up, we need to get the product. So when I refresh, the product is not coming through. What could be wrong? Okay. In the views.py, we have to pass this context. We have to pass the context here so that we can get it from the HTML. We can get access to the product from the HTML. So when I refresh here, so we can see that the product is coming through. We have the jacket. So what I have to do now is design this page so that we can have the product, we can have the description, the price, and where the user can click and add to cart. So what I did was very simple. I already have this Mosh code. So initially I started from the base.html, then I blocked the title. I think here can be products. It's block super, block.super. So let me see what it gives first. So the product name is coming through. So what I did was very simple. So we have been doing this before. I extend from the base.html, then the block title and the end block, then the block content. So from here we have this div container. We have this div with the class of container fluid. So like I said, I will drop the link to the HTML files for this project. So we have this div of this container fluid. Then we move down. These are just the reviews. We might not actually work on the reviews. So here we pass the products.image.url because from the views we're actually having the product here. We're getting the product here, which will now pass into this context, which now enables us to get to have access to the product. So now we have the product.image.url, which now brings the image of the product. So this is just a product. It can also be product.title or whatever name you use here. We use title. So it can also be product.title, or it can equally just be product. So and I'll move down. These are just a review. So here can be product.price, so that can get the price that we set at the back end. So product.price. So if you refresh, you see that the price of this item of this product is coming through. So I went further. So from here, the user can just click add to cart and it will be added to the cart. So which is this button from here. Now I move down. I also share the product on your social media page. So I move down to the description, which now gives us the access to the product or description. So I now went down to the related product. So if you look closely, you can see that we have this product, and it's also saying you may also like this product. So these are products that are related. So if I click on this product, you can see this product now comes displaying. So because they are products that are related by category. So from the views, if I go to the views.py, that was the reason we use this exclude. So if we didn't include this exclude.dislog and I refresh, you can see that we're having this product and we're also having this product. So I know it's not actually looking properly okay, but the code is working. The important thing is finishing is better than perfection, but the code is working. So that was the reason we use that exclude. So now with this exclude, it will now get rid of, and I refresh again, it will now get rid of this product, which is our focus point, which is this product. Will now get rid of it. So you click on this again, it brings related product. That is products that are related by category. So I think in the next tutorial we'll probably work on other things. So see you soon. Thank you. If you like the project, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you are interested in the advanced e-commerce project, you can also get that from my course on Udemy. I will drop the link where you can actually get the course at a discounted price for some period of some days. Thank you.